How to control your diabetes with bitter gourd. Diabetes mellitus is a metabolic disorder in which the blood sugar levels are high for a prolonged period. Glucose supplies the body with energy, but high amounts of it can damage organs seriously. The body absorbs glucose from the food we eat, which is then processed by the liver and sent to the muscles. The glucose is transported to our cells through the blood, while the pancreas secretes a hormone called insulin that helps glucose reach all the body's cells. If the pancreas is unable to produce insulin or stops working properly, the glucose remains trapped in the blood, which significantly increases the risk of diabetes. Diabetes is an incurable disease which can be controlled with a strict diet. Changing our lifestyle and diet can control the blood sugar levels in the body and keep the disease in check. And, although science hasn't been able to find a cure yet, there is one natural ingredient that can reduce the symptoms of diabetes and keep the blood sugar levels under control. Bitter gourd is a natural diabetes remedy. Bitter gourd is a bitter plant that has numerous medicinal benefits. There are two varieties, one grows up to 20 centimeters and has a pale green color, while the other is less than 10 centimeters long and has a darker green shade. Both varieties of the plant have white seeds which turn to red when ripe. The fruit also turns red when ripe and becomes even more bitter. Bitter gourd is popular in most Asian countries where it's used as food and a natural remedy against numerous problems. In general, people use it to reduce blood glucose levels and control diabetes. The fruit contains a chemical called quarantine which can reduce the glucose in the blood and is great for diabetics. The fruit affects the glucose metabolism unlike prescription drugs and even works better than most of them. Besides controlling the blood sugar levels, bitter gourd can also purify your blood and treat numerous blood disorders. It is rich in fiber which can improve your digestion and prevent constipation and other digestive problems while stimulating the secretion of gastric juices. This is great for people suffering from dyspepsia, but it shouldn't be consumed if you're suffering from heartburn and ulcers. The fruit can be consumed in various forms in order to manage type 2 diabetes. Consume bitter gourd juice every morning on an empty stomach. Experts suggest taking daily doses of 50 to 100 milliliters, or 900 milligrams, of the fruit 3 times a day. The fruit can also be taken as a supplement in powder form, 5 grains, 3 times per day. Doctors suggest taking the juice every morning for best results in order to reduce and maintain your blood sugar levels. The plant that successfully prevents diabetes, strokes and Alzheimer. This plant has been known as the immortal tree, the king of the trees and the tree of life. In 1854, this plant, also known as olive tree, started to be used in the medicine field and has been used so far. Nowadays, olive leaves are considered as a great elixir for treating numerous health issues. The olive leaves contain oleuropein, an active compound. Olive oil extract. The extract of olive oil is a source of wellness with a great number of therapeutic properties. Gastroprotective, which protects the digestive system. Neuroprotective, which protects the central nervous system. Antimicrobial, which inhibits the microorganism growth. Anti-cancer, which reduces the risk of cancer. Anti-inflammatory, which reduces the risk of inflammation. Antinociceptive, which reduces the pain stimuli. Antioxidant, which prevents oxidation or cell damage. Health benefits of olive leaf. There are numerous health benefits of olive leaf. Here are some of them. 1. It treats infections. Dr. Ronald Hoffman thinks that olive leaf will help you treat common cold, influenza, Candida infections, herpes 1 and 2, meningitis, pneumonia, malaria, gonorrhea, shingles, ear infection, urinary infections, dental infections. A study has shown that the extract of olive leaf has antimicrobial property against fungi and bacteria. The olive leaf extract gets rid of bacteria, such as dermatophytes, which cause infections on the hair, the skin, and the nails, E. coli cells, which are bacteria found in the intestine, and Candida, which causes genital and oral infections. If you are prone to bacteria and virus, you should use olive leaf on a daily basis. Its active compound oleuropein has anti-inflammatory, antifungal and antibacterial properties. In fact, it helps the body fight against the causes of numerous illnesses. You can olive leaf in extract form or in whole form, which you can use to prepare tea. 2. It regulates blood pressure. A recent study has shown that the active compound olorapine efficiently reduces high blood pressure. The study findings have shown readings from 137 mm of mercury to 126 mm of mercury systolic, and 80 mm of mercury to 76 mm of mercury diastolic, within 8 weeks. The researchers think that the active compound inhibits the angiotensin-converting enzyme, which means that the extract of olive leaf soothes the artery walls and lowers high blood pressure. This in turn reduces the risk of experiencing strokes or other heart diseases. 3. It prevents Alzheimer's disease. Advanced glycation is the main cause of Alzheimer's disease. However, olorapine neutralizes advanced glycation, which in turn reduces the risk of Alzheimer's. In addition, olorapine has antioxidant properties. This is important because the oxidative damage is another cause of Alzheimer's disease. 4. It treats and prevents diabetes. According to the Greek researchers, the extract of olive leaf significantly reduces the production of advanced glycation products in the body. In fact, high levels of advanced glycation products, AGEs, are the main cause for diabetes. Moreover, the extract of olive leaf has hyperglycemic properties, which means that it reduces high levels of blood sugar. The olive leaf also regulates the levels of blood glucose in the body. The polyphenols found in the olive leaf slows down the sugar production, which leads to inflammatory diseases, such as diabetes. 5. It improves cardiovascular health. Olive leaf has been used as an herbal tonic to enhance cardiovascular health. High doses of extract of olive oil have been considered to lower high cholesterol levels. Olorapine, the active compound in olive leaf, as well as hydroxytyrosol, the main product of olorapine, have been shown to reduce coronary heart diseases and various types of cancers. 6. It lowers the risk of cancer. Olive leaf has a major role as a cancer treatment due to its ability to slow down the angiogenic process that stimulates tumor growth. Olorapine has angiogenic and antioxidant properties that inhibit the reproduction and transfer of cancer cells. In addition, olive leaf has powerful antioxidant properties that inhibit cancer and the endothelial reproduction of cells. The extract of olive leaf slows down the growth of cells related to brain cancer, bladder cancer, urinary cancer and breast cancer. 7. It enhances brain function. Olorapine, the active compound of olive leaf, has been shown to prevent the symptoms of age-related issues, like dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Olive leaf has antioxidant properties, which hinder the free radical damage and protect the brain from memory loss. 8. It treats arthritis. Arthritis represents a joint disease, which causes joint swelling and pain. As the olive leaf has an anti-inflammatory effect, it works as a natural remedy of arthritis. Osteoarthritis represents the most common type of arthritis, which affect more than 33 million Americans. This happens when the cartilage among the bones and the joint breaks down, which allows the bones to rub against each other instead of giving them the cushion and protection of the cartilage. Studies have shown that the extract of olive leaf reduces the chronic pain that is related to osteoarthritis, and it lowers the production of cytokines and enzymes, which are markers for the inflammatory processes. 9. It improves the immune system. The olive leaf contains antiviral properties, which makes it able to prevent the common cold and treat numerous viruses. Researchers have shown that the extract of olive leaf effectively fights against a great number of disease-causing microbes, as well as some of viruses that lead to influenza or other respiratory infections. The powerful compounds of olive leaves get rid of invading organisms and do not allow viruses to reproduce and cause an infection. Namely, the olive leaf is very beneficial to the overall health. Treatment with the extract of olive leaf treated some HIV-1 infection-related changes. 10. It protects the skin. Olive leaf has the ability to recover years of damage to the skin and prevent the signs of the aging process. Because of the antioxidant properties of the olive leaf, it helps to prevent cell damage, particularly damage caused by oxidation. Herbs and foods that are rich in antioxidants are very beneficial for the skin and the overall health. It has been also found that the extract of olive leaf decreases skin thickness as well as skin elasticity, which are first signs of the skin damage. The olive leaf treatment also prevents tumor growth and skin carcinogenesis. Some more benefits of olive leaf may include: it gives more energy. It relieves toothache. It diminishes food cravings. It soothes joint pain. It regulates heartbeat. It improves wound healing. It supports weight loss.